Brics Bank stunts the West with this game changer. In an era of shifting global dynamics, an intriguing development is unfolding that has the potential to reshape international partnerships. The BRICS coalition signifies more than just a geopolitical alliance. It represents a novel approach to collaboration, transcending traditional norms and ideologies. Recent developments initiated by Russia have set the stage for an expansion of the BRICS alliance, inviting new participants into the fold. While the existing BRICS members, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have long been recognized for their collective influence. This move towards growth underscores the alliance's aspirations to redefine global cooperation and balance of power. How will these additions reshape the existing power dynamics? How will these diverse participants align their interests to tackle intricate global issues? In an increasingly interconnected world, unfolding these narratives could mark the dawn of a transformative era in worldwide cooperation and influence. Hello, and welcome to another video of Finance Sense, where we cover all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. Before we start, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment below if you enjoyed watching this video, and turn on the notification bell to keep posted. And now, without further ado, let's start. In our ever-changing global environment, where working together shapes what lies ahead, a significant transformation is occurring that might reshape worldwide interactions. As the world observes these changes materialize, the world now knows that the BRICS isn't just an organization. It symbolizes teamwork, ingenuity, and a new way of thinking that goes beyond conventional politics. At this juncture, Russia has unveiled a significant declaration underscoring the prospective advancement of the BRICS collaboration by extending invitations to more countries. To provide a quick summary, the current members within the BRICS Assembly encompass Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Russia regards this coalition of emerging economies as an ever more crucial and impactful balancing force against the backdrop of a globally dominant Western sphere. The Kremlin's representative, Dmitry Peskov, voiced his opinion on the issue, underlining, "We hold a strong belief that the growth of BRICS, in some manner, will pave the way for the continuous advancement and strengthening of the organization." Peskov's statements came in the wake of the remarks made by Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, the president of Brazil, who emphasized the great significance of Saudi Arabia, Argentina, and the United Arab Emirates contemplating membership in BRICS. Russia currently has fruitful connections with these three nations. Nevertheless, Peskov highlighted the importance of refraining from hasty discussions about specific countries until it is formally tackled at the BRICS summit in South Africa that is going to take place from August 22 to August 24. This move to reinforce BRICS is in line with Russia's desire to diminish the supremacy of the United States and foster a multipolar world. The nation is eager to strengthen bonds with emerging countries that have refrained from condemning its actions. The strategy is aimed at building relationships in terms of commerce, with the hopes of minimizing the repercussions of the sanctions Russia has received from the West. With the impending BRICS summit on the horizon, Russia's representation will be led by Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov, as President Vladimir Putin has decided not to attend in person. Now let's begin by delving into the New Development Bank, or the NDB, and its evolving role within the BRICS nations. This financial institution serves as a haven, aiding these countries in avoiding financial catastrophes. According to Pan Helen from Zhejiang University's Business School, Saudi Arabia could be an excellent addition to the NDB. Why, you ask? For the reason that Saudi Arabia maintains solid financial stability and doesn't have any associated risks. Enlisting them into the NDB lineup could amplify the financial strength of the BRICS and enhance their ability to manage crises. Looking at the numbers, NDB bonds present an impressive yield of 5.1%, surpassing the World Bank by a significant 100 basis points. Experts suggest that Saudi Arabia's participation in the NDB could significantly accelerate the nation's economic diversification and growth. Furthermore, Professor Zhu Ji from Fudan University suggests that Saudi Arabia could initiate the process by seeking membership in the NDB before joining the BRICS consortium. Interestingly, the circumstances seem favorable for Saudi Arabia's potential inclusion. Serious discussions are underway between the NDB and Saudi Arabia, exploring the prospect of Riyadh becoming the ninth member of the institution. Looking at the numbers, when combined, the BRICS countries constitute a quarter of the global GDP. By October 2022, the NDB had greenlit over 90 projects, disbursing a substantial $32 billion in loans. The notion of Saudi Arabia becoming part of this equation is receiving nods of approval from experts. They posit that such a move could enhance the BRICS' capacity to manage risks, especially as the world appears to be shifting away from relying heavily on the dollar. The NDB recently expanded with the inclusion of Uruguay, Bangladesh, Egypt, and the UAE. Marcos Trujillo, president of the NDB, is quite enthusiastic about this development. Given that Saudi Arabia is among the globe's fastest-growing economies, its participation carries substantial weight. While all the BRICS members are receptive to expanding the alliance, the specific details are still being ironed out. On a different note, Wang Wentao, China's Minister of Commerce, released controversial statements during a virtual meeting. China is not merely engaging in rhetoric, they are taking concrete actions, igniting its economic machinery and cultivating a favorable business climate that is poised to generate abundant opportunities. Wang even extended a nod to the smaller players, advocating for a smoother journey for small and micro enterprises. The BRICS consortium is far from insignificant. Together, they constitute a substantial 40% of the global populace and wield approximately a quarter of the international economy. Moreover, more nations are signaling their interest in becoming part of the BRICS alliance. It's as if they recognize the prospect for change and partnership that BRICS embodies. Meanwhile, Egypt has also already taken the leap and joined the BRICS realm, enlisting in the new development bank. Furthermore, there's considerable talk circulating among financial insiders about Saudi Arabia possibly joining the ranks as well. South Africa is preparing to host the BRICS 2023 summit, marking a significant milestone as the first in-person summit since the onset of the pandemic. Substantive discussions are on the agenda, ranging from the expansion of BRICS to the ambitious idea of a common currency, along with ensuring sufficient food and energy resources for all. China is particularly enthusiastic about this upcoming summit. Wang Yi, a prominent Chinese diplomat, is fully committed to strengthening and enlarging the BRICS framework. The BRICS consortium is in motion, driven by Russia and China, as they champion strong relationships, economic advancement, and global cooperation. As witnessed, the potential inclusion of new participants like Saudi Arabia and Egypt implies a thrilling dimension to the BRICS narrative. However, key questions remain. What implications will these new collaborations carry on the global stage? And will BRICS persist in challenging traditional powerful countries, ushering in a new age of the international arena? Hi! We hope that watching this video was interesting and that you learned something valuable. If you enjoyed it, please hit the notification button, like, subscribe, and watch more of our videos. Also, don't forget to share your comments in the comment section below. This is Finance Sense, helping you stay current on all the most recent changes in the financial markets and the economy. Stay safe and look out for the next video.